Yeah, that's looking good. You got your thing stuck. Okay. Yeah, that's looking good. So do you see what I mean? Like when you start sliding, kind of go with it, kind of just hold your weight steady.
Yeah. All right, I'll keep trying.
Yep, keep going.
Go.
That's fine.
Please behind me though, please.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm actually staying behind you, so.
Yeah, I want you to stay behind.
Yeah, and also it helps keep people from like flying into you.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you're fine. Good. What's that?
Have to start over so I can get parallel.
Yep.
Cool. I'm going.
Go ahead. There you go. Good. What's that?
Doing it.
Yeah, you're looking really good.
Okay. My legs are getting a little tired though.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Okay.
And the slower you go, the more your legs will get tired.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
that's just
like right
that's
now,
just
like,
how
I
it
wanna
is.
work on,
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know,
That's one of the
good at stopping,
unfortunate things. Like
controlling
you're starting off and you're doing the hardest thing starting off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
To control your speed. It
Yeah.
makes it a little rough, but
Yeah. There we go.
then once you get better, and then you can just kind of glide down, and you really appreciate it. And it's
Yeah,
like, oh man,
right.
this is so easy.
Alright, head down.
Okay, stay off to the left a little bit,
Jump.
where the sun is. There's less of those balls. Yeah, I saw it. What's that? It's ridiculous what?
Bad snow.
Oh yeah, yeah, I saw that. Nasty snow over here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, stay more towards the center. Avoid all this crud over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, see how hard that is?
Yep.
Yeah, get away from that. Yeah, you kind of just did like a pizza line.
Yeah, I did.
How'd that feel?
Oh, hurting.
Not bad, huh?
What did you?
She just like decided to just go like pizza shot.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to do that. Something in my eye though. Hold on.
What's wrong?
I just something like an eyelash in my eye.
Oh.
The snow is not very good.
Yeah.